Just when you thought earbuds couldn't get cooler or weirder, nothing is back. And it's not just bringing noise cancellation this time. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the latest tech updates. With the Nothing Ear 3 officially teased ahead of its September 18, 2025 launch, we're getting a first look at what might be the most talkative earbuds ever made. The design? Same, but still futuristic. You've got the signature transparent stem, white ear tips, and a splash of silver inside. Basically, cyberpunk AirPods. The case keeps Nothing's iconic see-through lid, but now flaunts a sleek silver bottom made entirely of 100% anodized recycled aluminum. Eco-friendly and shiny? Yes, please. But let's talk about the real star, the talk button. That's right. On front of the case, there is now a mystery button labeled Talk. But what does it do? Well, nothing's being shady about this, but they're also teasing something called a super mic. And judging by the mic cut out next to the USB-C port, all signs point to one bold idea that you might be able to talk to an AI assistant straight from the case. Imagine chatting with your earbuds without even wearing them. Other upgrades include tighter component design, a refined antenna just 0.35mm thick, and if history is anything to go by, more smart features that'll be revealed closer to launch. So, are these the first earbuds you can actually have a conversation with? We'll find out soon. But one thing's clear, Nothing's making a lot of noise, and it's only getting louder. Are you excited for these earbuds? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.